Collaboration proposal, Unacademy, Chandan Kumar. Hey, Navneet. Mishra NV greetings from Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. Hope you and your family are doing well. Chandan this side. I look after educator, institute, and influencer partnerships at Unacademy. As you might know, Unacademy has revolutionized the education sector in India by bringing high-quality learning resources to the masses and making them accessible and more affordable. In this pursuit, we have an exciting opportunity for you and would like to discuss with you how we together can contribute to this mission and forge a mutually beneficial relationship. We have seen your videos, YouTube channel, and we really appreciate your efforts in building such a great distribution. We are planning to launch CUET PG as a channel. This channel will feature you if we collaborate. To take this forward, PLS contact us.